Jai Shri Shyam everyone. In this video we are going to discuss the 3 steps with the help of which tomorrow you are going to rock in your taxation exam, irrespective of the fact whether you are prepared or not, because taxation paper is not about your preparation. Taxation paper is about your strength that you show in the exam. So listen to my each and every word carefully. This video is going to be in English because lots of students from Kerala, Tamil Nadu and South India are asking for the video in English. So I will use my words in very simple English so that both North Indian and South Indian students can understand it. So first of all, the step number 1. Step number 1 is just only one thing that you have to give continuously to yourself in the examination, is the self reminder that in the taxation exam there is a step marking. What happens generally with the students, if the question comes of 15 marks, 10 marks or 5 marks and you are aware about 80% adjustments but you are not clear in 20% adjustments, you think you are going to score 0 marks in this question. No, it's not like that. If you know the 80% question and the question is of 10 marks, definitely examiner will give you 8 marks provided you should attempt the 80% of the question. So step number 1, which is must, which is necessary for the taxation paper, it is that there is a step marking in the taxation paper. ये बात आप लोगों को एकदम ध्यान रखनी है, बहुत जरूरी ध्यान रखनी है. Now after that, what you have to do, what will be the strategy to attempt the paper? So first of all, in the first 15 minutes you will identify the questions that you know 101%. It may be the MCQ, it may be the GST part, or it may be the income tax part. Just 40 marks paper, if you know in the exam these questions may be MCQ, GST or income tax, you will clear the exam, because in income tax there is step marking and also you will get the full out of full marks if your question is absolutely clean and clear in answer. So step number 2 is attempt questions that you know very well. In this it may be MCQ, GST, income tax, and you have to identify 40 marks paper that you have to attempt on the first phase. Now after that, what you have to do, in balance of the questions there may be a situation that you know 90% of the part or 80% of the part or 70% of the part. Suppose in the question there are 10 adjustments and you know only 6 adjustments, 7 adjustments, and you are not aware about or you are confused about rest of the 3 adjustments. So it may create trouble for you in the exam that I am not able to recall the 3 adjustments, I know only 7 adjustments. No, at that time you have to focus on your strength, not on your weakness. That is, the 7 adjustments that you know are your strength and the 3 that you don't know is your weakness. Give self reminder to yourself at that time that I know there is a step marking in taxation exam. Generally what happens, this type of paper in income tax is of 50 marks and students starts feeling scared in the exam that I'm not able to clear it. This is something that you have to give the self reminder to yourself again and again and again that I know how to attempt it. I know there is a step marking in the taxation exam. So after that you will see that first 40 marks, 40 out of 40. Next 50 marks paper, you will be able to score around 30 marks out of this 50 and altogether it will become the 70 marks. So hopefully this strategy will help you and give a one reminder again and again to yourself in the exam that there is a step marking in the taxation exam, and that is going to help you a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep sharing. Thank you so much.